Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and love DIY videos, make sure you hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post a new video. In today's video, we're going to be making some clear cash envelopes using some vinyl to label them. And here I am just doing my text. I'm moving the letters. So to do this, after you type what you're going to type with the font you're going to be using, you're going to ungroup them, move them closer together so that they connect, like what I'm doing here, and then you're going to select them all together and then weld them together. I will leave in the description box how to actually do this step because it is kind of complex for me to explain, because this is something that I just learned how to do a few days ago. My sister taught me how to do it, so it's kind of complex for me to teach. So I'm going to just show you guys in a video and leave it in the description box as well. Then I'm just showing you guys right here after I selected and welded, it doesn't move. It's a hole now. And then after that, you want to size them to what size that you want them to be. I know in other states and countries, the money might be a different size. So make sure you just use your own judgment and measure out what you want to do. And right here, I'm just showing you guys me cleaning my Cricut mat, because sometimes if your mat is too dirty, it will mess up the way your vinyl cut. It will have like bumps and stuff in it. And then after that, you want to do the make it part and do the steps that it says on your tablet. You just want to do it on your Cricut machine, and then the Cricut will cut everything out for you. Then your machine will tell you when it's almost done cutting, and it should look like this once you're done cutting. Then you want to weed out all your letters. It should look like this when you're done. Then measure out the vinyl and make sure you scrape it together so that you can peel off your letters. They should look like this when you're finished. And then this is the part you guys been waiting for. You're just going to cut off the edges of your laminated sheets, and you're going to cut off the edges on both sides. Make sure that you cut them straight across so that your cash envelopes will be even. And also you will be able to make 3 cash envelopes from one sheet. Want to measure your laminated sheets at 3 inches, and then you're going to turn it and do it at 6.75 and then cut them. So you will cut at 3 inches and then cut again at 6.75, almost to the 7-inch mark. They should look like this when you're done. So when you're finished, you want to take the sheets apart, and you want to face the slippery part towards each other, because the outside is what we're going to be sticking our vinyl sheets to. And you want to do it on the on this side, because if you do it on the shiny side, your envelopes are not going to work. So you're just going to smooth your vinyl labels some more, just so that they could come off in one pull. Sometimes vinyl don't be wanting to come off, so you will have to smooth as needed. Then when you're done, you want to place them inside of your laminated sheet. Make sure they are even, because if they are not even, they're not going to come out right. So take your time doing this step. Now that we are done, you want to place them into your laminator. Make sure you put your laminator on 5 ml so that it could come out as clear as possible, and then it should look like this. You're pretty much done here, and I'm going to show you guys in the next clip how to package this up if you're doing it for your business. This is for one of my giveaway winners, so if you want to win some of these, subscribe to my channel and watch my budgeting journey and enter my giveaways. So yeah, if you made it this far into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me an envelope emoji so that I know that you made it this far into the video.